Hi, just a quick daily update on where the liquidity ended during the day. We've had a big update in the SPX, catching up from where the futures had gone over the day and a half since the opening over Memorial Day. And so if we look here at the SPX, we've had really big buying on the Friday, which led to this jump. And then we've had buying today. Could be chasing a bit of a squeeze there. It definitely looks like a little bit of a squeeze, and then it's sort of topped out, and we've got a bit of a mean reversion here. But even though we've had a mean reversion in the liquidity, and there's a little bit of balancing in the liquidity here, this is the SPIX liquidity here, time-laid liquidity. Liquidity sentiment. Red is selling, green is buying, thick is closest to the surface, so the shortest time period. Here is the irregular liquidity, which is showing us, if we regulate it over 15 days, how this is compared to the last 15 days. And it is a very green day. Even though other days might have looked greener in patches, this is a very green day. Down here we can see where that buying is. Look, the SPIX looks pretty good here, but really for the day, it's really appearing in the mag. So here it is in the mag. They've covered up this centre patch of the day. Obviously, the thinking about Apple over the weekend has come in, and the mag and all of them have been bought heavily. If I just quickly tripped down and showed you how the lit hours were for the S&P. It's this one here I've just flicked out. You can see that there's just really, for the SPX, there's just, yes, it is below the line most of the time, which is reasonably green, but it's nowhere near as green as what we saw in the mag for the day. Anyway, that's where the liquidity is today. It's a supportive day. I will be, during my day, I'll be buying any pullbacks, and it would be this will be continued for a period of time. There's definitely no selling here. There's no selling pressure in any of the big tickers, the NDX, the SPX, or the Mag 7. Anyway, have a great day's trading around the Globex for Australasia and Europe, and then into the New York Stock Exchange tomorrow morning. This is the data for end of day, starting of the 28th to the 5th, end of day of the 27th. Thank you very much.